We will guide you through how to make character AI account. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result. So you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, find the 𝗧𝗛𝗘𝗗𝗗 application on your device and launching it. Tap the app icon and allow the application a few moments to load completely before continuing. Once the app is ready, begin the sign-up process to create your new account inside the 𝗧𝗛𝗘𝗗𝗗 app. After starting the process, set up your birthday date in the menu. Enter the required birthday information and check that the date is correct. When you finish setting up your birthday, press the Join button to create your account. After joining, select your interests from the available options inside 𝗧𝗛𝗘𝗗𝗗. Choose the interests that match what you like so the app can filter the character selection for you. Once you finish selecting your interests, press Next to continue. After the main page appears, browse through the character list until you find the character that you want to talk to. Next, find the Profile button to access your profile settings. You can find the Profile button in the bottom right corner of the screen. Press the button to open the Profile menu. When the Profile menu opens, find and press Edit Profile to begin changing your profile information. Inside the profile settings, change your name and nickname based on your needs. Enter the information that you want to display on your profile and check it before continuing. Once you are satisfied with the changes, press Save Changes to save your updated profile information. Wait a few moments while the application saves your changes. After the saving process is complete, your new name and nickname will be displayed on your 𝗧𝗛𝗘𝗗𝗗 profile. You can now return to the main page and continue browsing the available characters.